Hey everybody, this is Rebecca TOTILO with Aroma Institute, and look who's here, Tanner. Come here, Tanner. Come here. He's our essential oil dog. He's here today because we are going to be making some products. Essential oils for dogs is a great way to use your oils. And for this spray, today we want to make something for bugs. Well, we say bugs because it will help keep away other bugs, but primarily the ones we're concerned with is fleas. Isn't that right? And it seems to be a year-round problem for us down here in the South because it never gets cold enough for them to die. And so they go in cycles, as you know, and I'm sure you've already probably Googled and looked for a lot of things online to find something to help you get rid of fleas naturally. I mean, you know, if we use essential oils on us, we think, hey, why can't we use them on our pets? And you can to a certain point. We want to make sure these are extremely diluted. They should not be more than 1% for what we're going to be using. 1 to 3% is normal dilution rate. For dogs that are less than 10 weeks old, you want to wait until they're older. So about 3 months is about a good time to use the oils around a pet. Now, for the most part, it would be hydrosols. Hydrosols would be a diluted form of a floral water. It is the byproduct of an essential distillation, and so that way we're using something that's very, very diluted. And it's really going to be up to the pet whether or not they like it. Now, these are very potent and strong fragrances, so a lot of times they just don't want to get around them. Nice way that would repel the bugs. So we're going to be using in this blend Lavender Essential Oil, Cedarwood Essential Oil, Geranium, can you imagine? And Eucalyptus. Now that would keep away a lot of things I can imagine, but I think this will be really nice. We're also going to be adding in apple cider vinegar and dish soap to help keep the fleas away, as well as we have our distilled water. And again, you could use a carrier oil if you prefer that. Remember, this is a blend that is for primarily for dogs. We have another video that we made for cats, which is a flea spray. And so go to that video up there if you will. Check that one out because this one is just for the dogs this time. Okay, so we're going to let Rachel do the blending here. We're going to start with a glass 2-ounce size. So let's start with the lavender. In this one we're going to use 15 drops of lavender and 15 drops of cedarwood. Now you could try to see how your pet likes these before making this blend, because I know this is a lot of drops. So you might want to just put 1 drop on your palm, rub it in, and just let them smell it. So this allows the pet to choose whether or not they want this oil on them or around them. Whenever you're diffusing essential oils, you also want to make sure that doors are open, windows are open, or you know, where they can get away from the smell if it's too strong, because if it's overwhelming, it could do a lot of harm. We don't want to do that. Let's see, what else do we have? We have 5 drops of geranium. Wow, that oil is so powerful. This one is, I could see why bugs would stay away. And then we're going to use eucalyptus, another powerful oil. Gee, I might have to use this one around the house. Spray around, because we had some ants taking over. All right, so let's go ahead and put in our apple cider vinegar. 1 tablespoon.
This smells strong too.
Oh yeah. Definitely keep the bugs away. Yeah. Use a drop of the soap. Just any kind of Dawn or something else. And then we're going to fill the remaining space with our carrier, which is going to be the distilled water. We have literally been diffusing a diffuser right under the air conditioning vent because the ants were coming in from the ceiling.
Oh.
And they're coming in by the thousands. They're taking over. So we started diffusing, and we were using peppermint, lemon, cedarwood. It worked. Got rid of the ants. We found
That's
them all
great.
dead all over the room. We've been cleaning up ants for 3 days. Tanner, we need to check this one. We gotta see if Tanner likes it. He said, "No, I am not coming in there. I know what you're doing. You're gonna trick me again."
Come here. We got another one.
Huh? Not sure. Hey, maybe he doesn't mind this one too much. Right, so we got a nice blend there. So this is Essential Oils for Dogs. It's a great bug blend that you can use to keep the fleas away and also use around the house. I hope this helps, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and we look forward to seeing you again in the next video. Bye-bye.